Ben, the puzzle shows snow, a cave, and a leaf. It feels like a clue. The picture is finished. I see snow, ice, and a little cave. Great job, Mia. The picture feels like a real clue.
The leaf is floating. Maybe it wants to guide us to a cold place.
Look at the magic leaf. It is glowing blue and white like snow.
Frank, the leaf is cold. The book is calling us to winter. A new adventure is ready, but we must stay together and listen carefully.
Let's go, team! Hold hands and stay close.
Hold hands!
We are floating! I can see snow inside the tunnel and bright ice ahead. That giant snowflake is bigger than my whole head. It is amazing!
Whoa!
I am okay, but my nose is freezing and my hands feel cold. It is cold here. I can see my breath in the air.
We need warm coats before we walk in the snow and wind.
The magic dust is changing our clothes into warm winter outfits.
Warm coats, scarves, and gloves will keep us safe outside in the snow.
The magic leaf is moving. Let's follow it slowly through the snow. Look, a big cave. Cave means a deep place inside a mountain or ice where you can walk.
Stay behind me. We will enter the cave together.
Cold air is coming out. Zip your coats, everyone, and stay close.
This ice wall is smooth, shiny, and very cold to touch.
The wall is very hard. My hand feels frozen like ice.
Place your gloves softly on the ice. It is cold and smooth.
Yes, it is frozen. Frozen means changed into hard ice by cold, like this wall.
It is darker inside. I will walk slowly and watch my steps. Wow, the crystal hall is bright like blue stars. Like blue stars under the ice. The shiny ice floor reflects my picture, like a tiny mirror.
The floor is ice. Ice is hard, cold, and slippery, so step carefully and slowly.
It is easy. Watch me, but do not copy my big steps yet. One strong step, and I will cross this ice. Whoa! Oof. Oof. I fell down.
Oh no! Frank, you fall down when the ice is slippery.
Take my hand, Frank. Slow steps are safer on this ice. Stand up slowly. Keep your boots flat on the ice for balance.
My feet are dancing without asking me, and the ice is winning. Okay, the ice wins this round, but I am still smiling.
We need strong boots with grip for this slippery ice floor.
I will draw a magic circle for safer boots with strong spikes. The boots are growing spikes under the soles. They look powerful.
I am testing the boots gently, one careful step at a time. Very good. These boots are heavy, strong, and safe on ice.
We look like penguins, but But at least we are not slipping anymore.
Do not walk fast. Small steps keep us safe on the ice.
Did you hear that sneeze behind the ice column?
Shh, everyone. Let's listen before we move.
I see something small hiding near the blue column. This is a funny hiding line. Please do not sneeze.
I hear a sound. It is soft and a little sad.
Look! A small penguin. Penguin is a bird that waddles on ice. Hello there. I will come down slowly and kindly, little friend.
Hello, little penguin. You are safe with us in this cave.
Pippo, stop!
Oh no! Be careful, Pippo! The edge is close! I gotcha! Hold still, little buddy.
I'm coming! My boots are stuck! Oof! Belly slide! I am sliding! Missed him! There is no floor! Stop! Boots, stop! Whoa! Stop! I am hanging over the deep hole!
Pull together, everyone. Ben, keep Pippo safe.
It is very deep. We need a safe way down together. You do not have to look if you feel scared.
Poor Pippo is afraid. We should help him feel safe and brave.
It is okay, Pippo. We will go with you all the way. He is afraid to fall. Fall means go down suddenly, not safely, so we help.
These boots grip well, but that slope is too steep.
Walking down will not work. The ice is too slick. We cannot walk down. We need another plan.
First, Pippo stands here on the flat, safe ice with us. Everyone, hold hands tightly and make one long line.
We must hold hands. Together, we are stronger, safer, and calmer.
Wait, I have a silly idea for this slide. Yes, let's slide down together like one careful train.
Sit close, feet in, hands locked, no gaps.
Pippo can ride in the center, warm and safe with us.
Look, Pippo has the safest seat on the train.
Stay close to my sleeve, Pippo. We will slide together safely.
You are safe now, Pippo. Breathe slowly with me, in and out.
Tiny moves, team. Do not start the slide yet. That tunnel is deep. I can feel the wind.
Here we go! Please be a nice slide! Push! We're moving!
Hold on! Hold on!
The walls are flying by! Left, right, up, down! So fast! Very fast!
Icicles ahead!
Too close! Too close! Turn left! Lean left now!
Pieces of ice are flying everywhere! Ah!
Big bump! I am flying! Whew!
Frank is the front now.
Brake! Boots, brake! Left side! Left side! I'm a sled!
Pippo likes to slide. Look, the sun.
Open air!
We are flying. This is scary and amazing.
Soft snow!
That landing was funny. Is everybody okay under all this snow?
We did it! Teamwork helped us reach the sunny snow together.
It is his mother. Good boy, Pippo. You were brave, even when you felt afraid.
Thank you, friends. We are happy you are together.
A gift! The silver feather is glowing for us in the snow.
Let's play one more game and review our snowy words together before we go home.
A snow game. I love learning with a game after adventure.
Ice. Ice is hard, cold, and slippery under our feet, so we step gently. Penguin! We waddle with small, funny steps across the snow, just like Pippo.
Penguin. A penguin walks like this in the snow and ice, with tiny steps.
Cave. A cave is a hole inside snow or rock.
Slide. Pippo can slide down the soft snow very smoothly and safely.
Fall! I fall down, but the snow is soft and safe.
Fall means go down. Are you okay, Ben? Stand up slowly and smile.
Boots leave strong marks in the snow behind us as we walk carefully.
Boots. Boots keep our feet warm, dry, and steady on snow.
We are frozen statues, but only for fun, not forever. Frozen. Frozen means very cold and changed to hard ice, like a statue. Pippo, that snow star is beautiful and bright, like magic. Thank you, Pippo.
The sky says thank you with a glowing heart of light above the snow. He is brave now. Brave means trying while afraid inside your heart.
I am not crying. Snow just got in my eyes again.
Ready for review? Say the snowy words with me, everyone. Nice and clear. Ice, cave, penguin, slide, fall, boots, frozen. Goodbye. The book is calling us home. See you next time.